Hey, hi there. I have been gone for a while. It's been about, wow, 5 years since I really recorded a video. And that's because I've been taking care of people. My mom passed away. And, I'm just trying to reinvent myself again. So I'm just happy to be here and happy to be talking to you again and bringing you something that I feel is really special. And that is a cleansing fast that I have developed. And I wanted to sort of give you some of the basics of this cleansing fast, which I've written a book and it's going to be coming out soon. A program that is easy to follow, something I can take on retreats. I can bring it to you. You're home with a group of people, whatever. So yeah, so let me just read you a little bit of the excerpts from my book, and which I'll be bringing out really soon. I'm going to leave out the name of it because that is going to be very special and very copywritten and all of those wonderful things. Hey, and excuse all the tchotchkes in back of me. I don't have my my sound set studio yet to do any video recordings, but I'd like to bring you more materials for sure. So anyway, my cleansing fast presents an opportunity to reset your body's health by removing toxins that have built up over time, leading to various health issues such as brain fog, bloating, hormone imbalance, and candida and obesity. So the holistic eating plan isn't just a quick fix. It's a transformative approach to reconditioning your body and embracing a healthier lifestyle. So I think that's the start. That's what I'm going to give you for now. I have another video that I recorded before, and it was done with my laptop, so it was a little blurry. And I just hope to bring you more quality videos to come, and excuse my mouth flubbing and all of that stuff. But I am just starting anew again, and I hope to bring you quality material, really quality information about fasting, detoxing your body, cell rejuvenation and regeneration through my whole foods fasting, and just debunking some of the myths about fasting. And people believe that, you fast without food and just very little water, and you run into the bush somewhere by yourself. Well, that's kind of not what we're going to do here. I have lots of ideas that I want to give people about the right foods to eat, when to eat it, when to juice, when to just do a water fast or a juice fast. And I want to incorporate yoga and movement and affirmation, which will all be coming out in the book. So I'm really happy to bring it to you and share it. I have this philosophy about you spend half your life tearing your body down. You're young, you don't really know what the effects are going to be of certain, toxins, chemicals, alcohol. You don't know what the effects are going to be on your life until you're about middle-aged and you're feeling tired, you have no energy, you have no sexual prowess, and you're wondering why. So then you spend the next half of your life rebooting, cleansing, eating the right foods, doing the right exercises. So I'm hitting people in this middle point to where they want to start rebuilding their bodies again. They want more energy. They want to feel freer and fuller in life. And they want, to be able to think clearer, because it's not over, folks, until it's over. And most people are living longer. So you're finding yourself 50, 60, retired, but you still want to do something. You still want to create. We are creators. That's what God put us here to do, is to create. So you want to keep your body full of energy so you can continue to create. So I'm going to leave you with that for now. So happy trails. Okay, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.